Hello guys, welcome back. Yesterday we did a test drive to see what happens. The first problem we found was the return line for the fuel came out of the canister, so we spilled some fuel. And also we saw that one track was not tensioned at all, so we had to fix that too.
Het kan omvallen.
Ja, dat is de druk.
Nou, dat weet ik wel vrij zeker.
Hij is niet omgevallen, maar de toerleiding is eruit gesprongen.
Oh Rob, dan gaat hij als een malle.
Ja, dat is spannend.
Nou is het helemaal strak.
Zo, dat gaat goed.
Van zijn hem zo makkelijk.
Nou,
Jeetje,
had ik niet verwacht.
dat was eigenlijk mooi om even te filmen hoe makkelijk het gaat.
Het drukt nog steeds eronder.
Guido, waar is het doek gebleven? Weet je dat?
As you can see, we still need to tension it more. Also needs adjustments on gas pedal and clutch, but for a first drive not bad at all. Also found that the gearbox problem is not fixed yet. We had a broken part which was welded, but it doesn't let us shift in reverse well, so we need a replacement part. For more on that matter, visit our Facebook page, of which the link is below in the description. Hope to see you at Millitrax 2020 when we will drive around with the Nashorn. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel.